What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's nice to have you here. Today we are making homemade biscuits and gravy. So I want to start by saying we usually don't keep any liquid milk on hand. So what I did, I bought some powdered milk. I've never used it before, but I thought it would be a way to reduce the waste of the milk that we did get. So there you see I am whisking together the powdered milk and water. And actually I have to say it turned out much better than I thought it would. It worked exactly like the liquid milk you would buy, I guess. So I'm very happy that it worked out that way because neither of us can drink regular milk. So for us to have it on hand for an occasional biscuits and gravy or needing it in some kind of recipe is just silly to have the liquid milk, and we don't usually. So why not try the powdered milk? I mean, there is nothing wrong with it. Absolutely nothing wrong with using that for certain things. I mean, we're not going to drink it, but I'm definitely going to use it for, say, like I used it here for the biscuit dough, and whatever else I may need it for. So I just wanted to share that little tip with y'all, because I feel like we're not the only ones. And if we are, that's fine. But I just wanted to share this tip anyway about using the powdered milk over regular milk. And maybe it'll help somebody. So I will let you all get back to the video, and just remember, I appreciate every single one of you, and there will be a mukbang in a different video. And stay safe, be kind, love with everything you have, and make sure you're drinking your water. I love y'all, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't, if you like my content, and like, comment, and share. And I love hearing from you guys, so don't be afraid to comment. Leave me a little something down below. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Not sure what's going on with the spatula, but I needed to get a different one.